Alright, so today I am mix and matching pattern pieces to create a whole new dress. I'm taking the bodice pieces from a vintage 1950s dress pattern that I like. And to that bodice, I'm also taking the pocket from that pattern. And then I'm taking the skirt pattern from a totally different location. And I'm adding a sleeve. So all in all, I've got 3 different patterns mixed and matched in here. And I think it's gonna turn out really cute. And I'm gonna make it in this checked sort of wine and navy and white checked pattern, which I think will be really pretty once it's finished. So all of the patterns are, I should say none of the patterns call for a side zipper, but I think for this one I'm going to add a side zipper instead of the normal sash to close the bodice piece. I'm not going to use a sash, I'm going to incorporate a side zipper. So yeah, I'm really excited about this and I will show you the process. I have never converted a sleeveless top to a top with sleeves before. So I'm really gonna have to double check that the armhole is large enough to do that before I actually put in the sleeves. But other than that, hopefully there won't be needed too many alterations. Okay, let's get started. All right, I have finished the front and the back darts. And I don't have a tailor's hand, but what I've realized is you can use a pillow, which actually works pretty much just as well for ironing the darts. So that's a nice little tip that I figured out and you might want to try. I think I will move on to the skirt, and I have 4 panels here, so I'm going to sew all 4 of the panels together using French seams to keep it nice and neat on the inside, and I'll show you that part. All right, with the skirt panels sewn together, I'm going to go back to the bodice, and this is the front. So I am going to sew the shoulders together to the back, and one side, the other side I'm going to leave open for a zipper. And I will also sew these 2 panels together to make the back. All right, so now I have the shoulder seams finished, one seam on the side finished, and I have the zipper partially put in, the side zipper. So now I'm going to take the bias tape and go ahead and finish the neckline all the way down to here. That way I can fit this bodice portion and sew it so that it's completely done. Now that I have the neckline finished and I have it sewn together here so it doesn't gape open, I'm ready to go ahead and start preparing the sleeves to ease in. I have prepped the sleeves with French seams. Now I am going to put bias tape around the cuffs and start easing them into the armholes. Right, I have finished preparing the sleeves with French seams and doing the bias tape around the cuff. So I'm going to take them from here and just draw a line about half an inch or so that when I go and baste, do just a basic stitch here, and I can pull it so I can easily ease it in and both sleeves will look the same. That's my goal. All I have left is the skirt and the pockets on the skirt, and this dress is done. All right, on to the pockets, and then we're gonna finish up our dress. So I prepped the pockets by folding and ironing the edges down, and I put some trim along the edge. I wanted to do an extra little detail, but I didn't really have anything else to go with it, so I'm just gonna leave it as is, and I'm gonna measure where to put the pockets so they're the same on either side, and then I'm ready to attach the skirt to the bodice and finish it up. I'm really excited about this.